The Tecno Spark 10 Pro is among the latest Spark series devices from Tecno company. It was released alongside its brothers, the Tecno Spark 10 and Spark 10C. So this device features a clear 6.8-inch IPS LCD 1080p display, runs on Android 13, powers the MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, a pre-50 megapixel AI triple rear camera, and other cool features you will love to know about. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. What's up guys, it's just Lord here. In today's video, I'm going to be saying the specifications for the all-new Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So let's start off with the design. Tecno Spark 10 Pro is covered up with glass on the rear and aluminium on the frame. This device has a texture matte finish on the rear that makes it look pretty cool. Though while ordering this device, you have two color options to opt from, which are Starry Black and Pearl White. But the one you're looking at is the Starry Black. So this device comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and on the rear it features 50 megapixel AI triple camera, while on the front it has a punch-hole selfie camera of 32 megapixel. Now as for the display, it features 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel, 90 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. So viewing content on this device will be clear and sharp. The chipset behind the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G88 that is paired with an internal memory storage of 8GB RAM that can be expanded to 16GB RAM through memory fusion and 256GB of ROM. Yeah, it is an octa-core processor CPU and Mali G52 MC2 alongside the 19 Hz of high refresh rate for fast and smooth performance while gaming and doing any regular stuff with the device. So it also comes with a microSD card slot for further memory expansion, though I didn't see any reason for that since you have 256GB of internal storage, but it is cool. So moving to the camera aspect of this device, on the rear, you will notice it has triple camera lenses with an LED flash. Yeah, it is a 50 megapixel main camera with an AI lenses, while on the front it has a 32 megapixel punch-hole selfie camera for selfie shots. The cameras can only record videos on 1080 pixel at 30 fps. Now for your day-to-day activities, you have 5000 mAh battery to do all of that, and also 18W fast charge to power up the device. This device runs on Android 13 based on iOS 12.6, and also it adapts a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's going to cost you 140,000 naira to purchase the 256GB storage variant of this device. You can check out Jumia to get it at that price point. So guys, here comes the end of my description video for the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Let me know your thoughts on this device on the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video drops. Thanks for watching. See you all on my next video. Peace.